Welcome. In front of me is a Poco F3, and today I'll show you how to put this device into recovery mode. And to get started, hold power key, then select power off. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up. Both of the keys at the same time, so let's do it right now. You'll see Poco logo, then feel a vibration, at which point you can let go. And there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. Now in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate, as you can see. Volume down will go down and up will go up, and then power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And from here you can either wipe data of the device, so basically perform a factory reset, or connect to Mi Assistant, along with the option to leave this mode, which is reboot, which is what I'm going to stick with. So power key, and then once more power key, and this will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.